Welcome to Hazel, light shining so bright. Chasing our dreams, we won't lose sight. Making money online, we'll rise and climb. In this journey together, we'll take our time. So subscribe and stay, join our ride. With every step, we'll take it in stride. Welcome to Hazel, let your dreams unfold. With passion and purpose, our stories told. Join the adventure, let's light up the night.
Welcome to the English Teacher's Toolkit Tips for Freelance Success. I'm Hazel, and in tonight's episode, we're diving into a major challenge many ESL teachers face navigating company systems, admin work, and student related struggles. So, if you have ever felt frustrated by rigid policies or overwhelming paperwork, or unmotivated students, you're not alone. Let's break it all down and find solutions together. Now, many ESL teachers start out by working for online platforms or language companies, and while they offer job stability, they also come with major drawbacks. The first challenge is that unfair policies and strict regulations. So some companies have penalties for small mistakes, rigid class structures, or even sudden pay cuts. So I was working with a Chinese company before, and every small mistakes they do have penalties. Let's say, for example, if their website went down, so that's your penalties, not to them. And then they also have low pay and inconsistent booking. So a common struggle is fluctuating students' demand and leading to unstable income. And then lastly, lack of support. So when teachers face technical issues or difficult students, some platforms offer little assistance. So let's find solution on that. So first is know your rights. So read contracts carefully and document all interactions. Next, diversify your income. Consider working with multiple platforms or shifting to private tutoring. And then third is have a backup plan. Invest in good internet and backup gadget or power backups to avoid penalties. And then next struggle is admin struggles for freelancers. So if you're running your own ESL business, admin work can be overwhelming between scheduling, payments, and lesson planning. So it sometimes feels like you're doing everything but teaching, right? So first challenges is scheduling conflicts and overlapping classes. So double booking or miss sessions that it can hurt your reputation, right? And also next is late or missed payment. So chasing students for fees is exhausting, right? So next is tracking student progress. So without a system, it's easy to lose track of a student improvement. So you should have your system. So let's find a solution on that. So for the first one, you can use scheduling tools like Google Calendar or Calendly or book like a boss can help manage booking. So as for me, I use Calendly. And second, set clear payment terms. So you have to require upfront payments or use automated invoicing via PayPal or Wise or your own bank account or GCash. Yeah, as for me, I use GCash or my own bank account. And you have to create digital progress reports. So you can use Notion, Trello, or Google Docs can help track lesson plans and student performance. And next challenge is student related challenges. So teaching is fulfilling, but some students make it tricky. So first is you will have unmotivated students. So some learners aren't engaged and don't participate. So on my case, I experienced this one many times. They will not participate, and worst is they will not open their camera. So you don't know what they're doing. And then next is poor attendance or last minute cancellation. So this disrupts schedules and income. And then third, struggling learners. So some students have difficult grasping grammar, pronunciation, or reading comprehensions. So let's find solutions. So first, make lesson make lessons fun and interactive, right? Use real life examples like games or topics they love. And then second, implement a cancellation policy. So a 24-hour notice rule helps set boundaries. And then third is break down learning into smaller steps, right? Or you have to focus on progress, not perfection, right? So if you relate to any of these struggles, know that you're not alone. Teaching ESL comes with challenges, but with the right system in place, you can take control and make your job easier. So, if you found today's or tonight's episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with your fellow teachers. Until next time, happy teaching!
Welcome to Hazel, lights shining so bright. Chasing our dreams, we won't lose sight. Making money online.